Mamma mia. Why is it raining outside, Luigi?
I don't know, man. I really hate it.
Same. Hmm. I can hear the rain. Mama, fuck me. Come on. Well, I don't know what the odd is. What was that? Oh, that was from the kitchen. Okie dokie. Rain, go away, please. Oh, doesn't work, Luigi. Bro, cause the rain is in stop, Mario, I think. I know, man, the chill. Damn it. What are we supposed to do in this stupid freaking rain? Should we just play a game? No, I don't want games. Why? I don't know. Dang, it's raining crazy now. Yep, for real. I don't want to, like, get wet or something. Oh, man. We're really bored. No one turned the fan on. Man, I don't know why. Why? Man, just chill. Just relax. Alright? Okie dokie. Oh, man. This is so terrible. What are we supposed to do while this rain is here? I thought it's not gonna rain, right, Mario? Yes, for real. Yeah, for real. Like, I literally hate this. Oh. Hello, guys. This is me, Prince Florian. Mario and Luigi, what happened? What is your problem? The problem is that why is it raining outside? IDK, I don't know. What about you, Luigi? Very bored. I wanna go outside, play soccer with my brother, but I can't because it's raining, and I don't wanna get wet. Oh, because you wanna have fun with your brother, right? Yeah. Duh. Let me just go freaking away. I'm just gonna watch the news. Alright, Mario? Okay. Let's go.